In competitive exams, geometry has a golden rule. If you find yourself using the Pythagorean theorem more than once on a single problem, you are likely doing it wrong. Take a look at this comparison. On the left, a standard brute force approach bogs you down in coordinate algebra and nested square roots. On the right, by drawing a single line and noting a ratio, the answer reveals itself almost instantly. These fast resolutions don't rely on magic formulas. They rely on your ability to visually spot a hidden property that collapses 5 lines of math into 2. We're going to use 2 foundational tools to do this. First is the similarity shortcut. Look at this triangle. When you draw a line across the interior that runs parallel to the base, you create 2 similar triangles. Because the line is parallel, it divides the 2 outer sides proportionally. Whatever ratio cuts the left side, say 1 to 2 or 3 to 4, must perfectly equal the ratio cutting the right side. The midpoint theorem is simply a high-power version of this rule. If that parallel line sits exactly in the middle, connecting the midpoints of both sides, its length is exactly half of the base. Spotting or even creating these parallel lines turns a complex diagram into a series of predictable ratios. It allows you to bypass coordinate geometry entirely and save massive amounts of time. This same logic applies to circles. Tangent lengths from a single external point are always equal, a property that solves 30% of circle problems in 2 steps. In a cyclic quadrilateral, the opposite angles always sum to 180 degrees. Mark this immediately to unlock the entire problem without complex equations. To solve any previous year question, categorize the topic, draw a clean figure, and try to solve using exactly 1 core property before writing any equations. Mastering geometry is not about knowing 100 formulas. It is about recognizing which one formula will crack a problem in 6